Okay, we're back now, and we're going to talk about installing the ChordBuddy on your ukulele. All right. So what you should have got with your ChordBuddy for ukulele system, obviously the ukulele. You will also have gotten a blue dot. I hope you can see it. In fact, you should have gotten at least 5 of them. That blue dot. And you position that blue dot, and kids, get your parents to help you here. You want to position it under the bottom string, which is the A string, and just behind the 3rd fret. You want to see just a little bit of space behind the 3rd fret, okay? Hope you can see that. All right. So position that dot, put it right so that it's directly underneath that. Now, putting the ChordBuddy on, you want to back the screw up to give you enough room to get it over the neck. Place it over the neck. Come underneath. Do this with your left. Come underneath and hold that clamp and this clamp with your thumb and middle finger. Back the ChordBuddy up so that when you press the G, the red, that this tab, the tab that's closest, furthest away from the headboard or closest to the sound hole, hits just behind the 3rd fret. The 3rd fret. 1, 2, 3. The 3rd fret. Then tighten it up. All right. Now you will want to have a little upward angle. This is the same with the ChordBuddy for guitar. You don't want the ChordBuddy flat down. If you do, it will buzz, I promise you. So you want to have the ChordBuddy, the tabs facing, with a slight upward angle. See that? If you do that, it's going to play perfectly, okay? Also refer to the download or the booklet, whichever one came with yours, on how to install, okay? All right, so that's how to install the ChordBuddy on your ukulele.